Chicken bites cheese sandwich. Let's make delicious chicken bites cheese sandwich. Place the chicken bites in the air fryer and fry them well and cut them into small pieces. And then I'll cut the red, and then put the majban mince on the bread and put the pieces of chicken bites inside it and then put the cheese and cover it. We will use a little oil and put this bread in the sandwich maker. We have chicken bite sandwiches ready to eat now.